To find documentation for Uniswap v3, start by visiting the official Uniswap website at uniswap.org. From there, navigate to the documentation section, which can be found at the bottom of the homepage under the Resources tab. This will take you to the Uniswap documentation portal, where you can find detailed information on Uniswap v3, including its protocol, smart contracts, and developer guides. In the documentation portal, you can explore various sections, including the protocol overview, which provides a high-level explanation of how Uniswap v3 works, and the developer guides, which offer step-by-step instructions on how to integrate Uniswap v3 into your application. You can also find information on the Uniswap v3 smart contracts, including their architecture, functionality, and deployment. Another valuable resource for finding documentation on Uniswap v3 is the Uniswap GitHub repository. The repository contains the source code for the Uniswap v3 protocol, as well as detailed documentation on the protocol's architecture, smart contracts, and APIs. You can find the Uniswap GitHub repository by searching for Uniswap on GitHub. In addition to the official Uniswap documentation and GitHub repository, there are also several community-driven resources available, including the Uniswap Discord channel and the Uniswap subreddit. These resources can provide valuable insights and support from experienced developers and users who have worked with Uniswap v3. When working with Uniswap v3 documentation, it is essential to keep in mind best practices, such as carefully reviewing the protocol overview and developer guides before integrating Uniswap v3 into your application. You should also ensure that you understand the smart contracts and their functionality to avoid any potential issues or errors. By following these steps and exploring the available resources, you can find comprehensive documentation on Uniswap v3 and gain a deeper understanding of the protocol and its capabilities. This will enable you to effectively integrate Uniswap v3 into your application and leverage its features to build innovative decentralized finance solutions.